Today in this video, I will show with you how to log in ESS accounts employee. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for this keyword ESS employee, click on this website team list. As you can see here, when you click this website, you will see this page, login page. From here, write your ID and user ID and password. For example, this is for password. Choose this captcha, add this captcha as you can see here. After write your captcha, click login. If you forget your password, just click forget your password, and then you will get your password again by write your ID, submit your ID, click submit. You can scan this QR code or you can download this app on Google Play. You have two options here, Google Play or App Store. So you have App Store, Google Play, download this app from here and then log in. Make sure this is a real apps. After download this app, log in with your own information. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this guide helpful for you.